Haspel is clothing meant for a good time. That has always been one of our mottos. And what's important is that we offer clothing that are classics, that are known for being Haspel clothes that the consumers expect us to have. And so that's something that we want to make sure is available 12 months out of the year. I love walking around the factory today to see that combination of the old machinery and the old way of putting suits together compared to what is done today with the modern technology and the innovation of new fabrics all rolled into one.
I grew up in New Orleans, and of course my grandfather started the business in 1909. My father worked for the company. A lot of the cousins and uncles and everyone else worked for the factory. And the office, of course, was in the factory on Broad Street in New Orleans.
I vaguely remember going into the factory with my grandfather. This was Joseph Haspel Jr. And he would walk me through, and I just remember seeing all of the women there with the sewing machines and the buzz of the factory. That was so much fun to see all of the action.
We source fabrics all over the world. You know, obviously we are known for seersucker, and we demand the very best. We use an Italian quality of seersucker. We have for years. We feel like it is the best seersucker in the world. Having the right manufacturing partner is critical to the make of the garments at Haspel. We're constantly updating our silhouettes. We're keeping true to the trends of today's fashion, constantly tweaking our models and our fits, and to have a great partner who can react to those things, who can interpret what our designs are, and really produce a fabric and a silhouette for us that is what we are looking for is of the utmost importance.
Certainly seersucker put us on the map, and we've got so many colors of seersucker that are available 12 months out of the year.
Innovation has always been a part of our DNA. So as we continue to update fabrics and source fabrics around the world, it doesn't matter where they're made, as long as they're the best, they're good for Haspel.
It's important to us more now than ever, being a brand that is over 100 years old, to make sure that we stick to the classics. We stick to what Haspel is truly known for, which is our fabrics and our fabric innovation.
I am so proud that our daughter, Laurie, is 4th generation. If I could cry, because I would love to tell my grandfather that his great-granddaughter is now running Haspel.
Our main goal now is to produce a quality product that the market demands, that will make everybody feel good when they put on one of the Haspel jackets.